We have been following these immigration enforcement operations closely. On Wednesday morning, federal agents were seen at communities in Denver, Arapahoe, and Aurora. As of tonight, federal investigators have not told us how many people were detained in those operations. Your reporter Dylan Thomas live in Adams County tonight. And Dylan, it's also been about 2 weeks since some of these immigration enforcement arrests were made at a nightclub there. However, charges for many people still have not been filed.
At least not state-level charges, Michael, here in Adams County, where nearly 50 people just a matter of weeks ago were arrested at a house party as part of a federal enforcement investigation. The DEA initially told us that they were investigating possession of illegal drugs at that party, which would be a state-level crime. However, the DA here in Adams County tells us he has not received one single referral for prosecution related to anybody at that party.
So the district attorney's office has no role in federal immigration policy or enforcement.
But the office is in charge of prosecuting state-level crimes. 2 weeks after dozens of people were arrested, not one single person from those operations has been referred to District Attorney Brian Mason for prosecution.
I think it's surprising. One of the raids was very publicly talked about by federal law enforcement. They put it on their Twitter, they put it on their social media, and alleged that there were drug crimes being committed.
Which is a state-level crime and should have landed on Mason's desk.
None of that has happened here in these cases.
Where are those charges? If they really do have criminal gang members that they know of and that have already committed crimes, why aren't we charging them?
Cristina Uribe Reyes, a Denver-based immigration lawyer, represents 2 of the people arrested in that Adams County operation.
As a U.S. citizen, as an attorney for clients, I'm very, very concerned.
She claims her clients haven't done anything wrong, saying one of them, a mother, was arrested while she was serving as a designated driver and is in the country awaiting an asylum hearing.
We're wasting taxpayer money having people detained that haven't done anything wrong but comply with the process set forth.
The federal government has the right to detain people indefinitely, but must give them the ability to request bond, and right now that process can take weeks. State-level charges would have had to be filed within 48 hours. When asked if DA Mason has been communicating with federal law enforcement,
They have not reached out to me at all.
have you reached out to them?
No.
ICE declined to interview with us for this story. Meanwhile, the DEA told us that they couldn't file any state-related drug charges in this case because they say the people that were at that party dropped all of the drugs on the floor when they showed up, which then made it impossible for them to be able to determine who was in possession of what. Reporting live in Adams County, Dylan Thomas, covering Colorado First.
Dylan, thank you.